Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the Diagnostic Troubleshooting Guide for DTC B1225 on the Honda CRV, model years 2017 to 2022. This trouble code indicates an open circuit in the in-car temperature sensor circuit. The in-car temperature sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the climate control system by measuring the temperature inside the vehicle. Typically located in the dashboard area near the passenger side, this sensor directly affects the performance of your air conditioning system. Effective operation of the climate control system relies heavily on accurate temperature readings from this sensor. So it is vital to address issues signaled by DTC B1225 promptly. The DTC B1225 specifically points to an issue in the in-car temperature sensor circuit, particularly indicating an open-loop fault. The impacted components include the in-car temperature sensor and the climate control unit. The in-car temperature sensor is responsible for detecting the interior temperature, effectively influencing how the climate control system operates based on the temperature readings. This sensor is generally located in the dashboard area on the front passenger side, easily accessible for checks. The climate control unit interprets the inputs and adjusts climate settings accordingly. A fault in this circuit can disrupt the normal operation, leading to a lack of cooling or heating inside the cabin, affecting the comfort of passengers. Several potential causes can trigger DTC B1225. One common culprit is an open in the TR wire, which may interrupt communication between the in-car temperature sensor and the climate control unit. Similarly, an open sensor COM wire could also prevent accurate data relay, leading to malfunction. Additionally, loose wires or poor connections in the sensor circuit can lead to intermittent faults. These issues can manifest due to wear and tear, exposure to harsh environmental conditions, or improper installation. Understanding these causes will help guide the troubleshooting process efficiently. Symptoms associated with DTC B1225 can significantly impact the driving experience. Drivers may notice a malfunctioning temperature control system, where the air conditioning or heating no longer responds accurately to settings. Another symptom can be an inconsistent climate inside the vehicle, causing discomfort to passengers. Moreover, the check engine light may illuminate on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue requiring attention. It is essential to observe these symptoms closely, as they can point towards critical faults in the vehicle's climate control system. The first troubleshooting step for resolving DTC B1225 involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This device allows you to reset the system's error memory. After clearing, turn the vehicle to the off position and then back to the on position, preparing the system for a fresh check. It is crucial then to conduct a self-diagnostic function either with the HDS or the climate control unit. This check can provide real-time data, highlighting current issues or confirming whether the problem persists after the reset. If the DTC reappears, you will need to investigate further. In the second troubleshooting step, you will again turn the vehicle to the off position. Disconnect the climate control unit connector A, which is a 32-pin connector, along with the in-car temperature sensor 2-pin connector. This disconnection is crucial as it allows you to check continuity without interference from other components. Next, measure continuity between the specified test points, specifically between the climate control unit connector A pin 27 and the in-car temperature sensor 2-pin connector pin 2. This step is vital to determine if there is an open in the TR wire. If continuity exists, it indicates that the wire is intact, leading you to the next troubleshooting step. Step 3 involves checking the continuity of the sensor COM line, which is crucial for accurate sensor communication. The vehicle must still be in the off mode, with the climate control unit connector A and in-car temperature sensor connector still disconnected. You will measure continuity between test points as indicated. Climate control unit connector A, pin 12, and the in-car temperature sensor connector, pin 1. This step verifies the integrity of the sensor COM wire. If continuity is confirmed, you can proceed confidently to the next diagnostic step. Otherwise, repairs are needed for any identified open in this wire. In the fourth step, turn the vehicle to the on mode to begin measuring voltage, focusing on the TR line connected to power. The climate control unit connector A and the in-car temperature sensor connector must remain disconnected during this measurement. Measure voltage between climate control unit connector A, pin 27, and a solid body ground. Checking for voltage will help you identify any shorts in the TR wire. If voltage is present, it indicates a short to power, requiring immediate repair. If no voltage is detected, it suggests that the TR wire is functioning as expected, allowing you to move on to the final step in the troubleshooting process. The fifth and final troubleshooting step centers on checking the in-car temperature sensor itself. After ensuring the vehicle is turned to the off mode, you will perform a detailed test of the temperature sensor. If testing indicates the sensor is functioning correctly, the next step is to replace the climate control unit, as it may be defective. On the other hand, if the in-car temperature sensor is found to be faulty, it must be replaced to restore proper climate control functionality. This diagnostic process is vital for ensuring your vehicle's heating and cooling systems operate effectively and comfortably. After completing all troubleshooting steps and repairs, it's essential to verify that the DTC has been cleared successfully. Use the Honda Diagnostic system to ensure all previously recorded trouble codes have been eradicated. Following this, recheck the functionality of the in-car temperature sensor, making sure it relays accurate temperature readings. It's crucial to run a complete functional test of the climate control system in various settings, confirming that it responds adequately to changes. This verification step ensures that all issues related to DTC B1225 have been adequately addressed, restoring the system's normal operation and comfort in the vehicle. To prevent occurrences of DTC B1225 and ensure the longevity of your Honda CRV's climate control system, regular maintenance is key. It is advisable to perform periodic checks of the in-car temperature sensor to verify its functionality. Inspect wiring connections routinely for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose fittings that could lead to faults over time. Additionally, keeping the components free from dust and debris can enhance their performance. Implementing these preventive measures will not only extend the lifespan of your vehicle's climate control system, but also improve overall performance and prevent surprise failures. In conclusion, understanding DTC B1225 is crucial for maintaining the climate control system of your Honda CRV. This diagnostic code indicates an open circuit in the in-car temperature sensor circuit, which can significantly affect vehicle comfort. By following the detailed troubleshooting steps outlined, mechanics can effectively identify and rectify the underlying issues. Additionally, incorporating preventive maintenance practices is essential to minimize risks of encountering similar diagnostics in the future. Remember, timely intervention and routine checks will maximize your vehicle's comfort and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.